Hello everybody, welcome to my... What? What a nice intro, man, what a nice intro. I'm so funny, you guys know it. Well everybody, welcome to my channel. This is me, Mart, and how's it going? Today we're gonna play as soldier, as you can see. This class is my favorite class after Demoman, because Demoman is black. I love black people. I'm trying to not be racist, yeah. Got him, CD. Market garden, nobody. I'm gonna get this guy. What? You are the pro sniper, man. There's no way he's able to kill me. I mean headshot me. One shot headshot me. I need to sneeze. I need to sneeze. Ouch, that hurt a lot. You guys probably can see. Now I'm sick. I have a flu. This scout gonna get it. What? Not fair. You have Barrett, man. Why are you AFK? Wow. That sniper is spawn camping us. Gonna play as sniper. Deal with him. Body shot. He knew I'm here. I need to kill those camping motherfuckers. They were camping us. I mean, for real, man. Give us a break. I need to play as this man. What? Someone just
Mission engine 60
there's
seconds.
two Musluk. That's not fair. I've shotgun. I'm afraid to use it. This is like a worst match ever.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
I mean, there's camping people. There were. Burn to death. Just want you guys to burn to death.
Mission ends in 10 seconds.
I'm super sick. Hello? Hello everybody, I'm a pyro. At least I get people. Those Demo man, hurting my ass off. What are you doing? Let's go. Good thing there's a scramble thing. There's no way it's the real music. You wanna fight, bro? You can single kill little Pyro with a full health and greaser. I mean, there's no way. Oh, milk. I love milk. Gonna spawn camping this place. No. I'm a pyro, you can't kill me. What? You didn't even burn to death. It's not fun. I mean, for real, man. Most like, come on. Got to be joking me. Ah, take this, man. Take this. I'm a pyro. Can kill me. Just capture the point real quick. Wow. Wow. What? Accidentally press G button, a down button, and get headshot. Wall shot by a pro sniper. What a D. I mean deuce. Bang. I mean death bang.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
I'm gonna get those sniper.
We have captured the control point.
I mean, I think. See that? Just gonna camp this place. Wow, I just got backstab by your people.
Alert. The control point is being captured.
For real, man, you're trying to be faking Star and Musulk. Star and Musulk doesn't even know each other, man. I'm just hoping that one day I can play with him. What? I feel so lonely. I need a friend real quick. Hehe. I mean, this is so boring playing with random people
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
and messing around and didn't even get kill. I just get 12 kill. It's fun, man. You don't got the hell. I'll got the hell.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
What?
4, 3, 2, 1. You failed.
I'm so bored. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you do, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of mine. See you later, guys, and bye.